This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zoki Mulekwa. Very rare 2018 GL homes built Barbados on lakefront, 2,289 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, and 3 Cat6 wiring ports afford exceptional Wi-Fi connectivity. Hurricane/impact resistant glass throughout, whole house gutters, engineered weathered hardwood floors, 5 1/4 baseboards, and custom crown molding in common areas. Front door and sidelight are full-length impact-resistant glass. Foyer is 26 feet 7 inches x 5 feet 8 inches with a 13 to 14 tray ceiling. Great room is 19x 18 with a 10 to 11 tray ceiling with double crown molding, ceiling fan and 6 recessed lights, 12 sliders to lanai with motorized blind enclosed in custom JT Home Designs valence. Dining room is 14x 10 with a Brooks 8 light black transitional chandelier. Kitchen is 12x 13 and features a fully paneled 173 granite counter height island with single basin sink, level 5 chiffon white with bronze piping, solid maple cabinetry with soft close drawers and doors. Lower cabinets have slide-out shelves and 4 pot drawers, ceramic tile arabesque backsplash, cabinet pantry with sliding shelves, ceiling fan, Bosch 4-door fridge, G-slide in range with convection oven, garbage disposal with air switch. Dinette is 9x 7, Hunter Douglas plantation shutters and a 5-slider with motorized blind enclosed in custom JT Home Design valence. Master bedroom is 19x 13x4, carpeted, 10 to 11 tray ceiling with lighted ceiling fan and 4 recessed lights, 9 wide window overlooking lake, 2 custom finished walk-in closets, ensuite bathroom. Ensuite bathroom is 13 feet 7 inches x 11x8, 18x18 tile floors, ceiling fan, large framed glass walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling wall tile, safety grab bars, granite counters, 2 separated vanities, Kohler Ladina under-counter sinks, Moen Brantford oil-rubbed bronze faucets, level 5 cabinetry with soft close drawers and cabinet doors, water closet with Kohler Sterling comfort height commode and additional GFCI receptacle, and a linen closet. Bedroom 2 is at front of house providing great privacy, carpeted, bay window, ceiling fan and 4 recessed lights, and custom closet. Bedroom 3/office has 18 pane sliding French doors, carpeted, walk-in custom closet, double ceiling fan and 4 recessed lights. 3-car tandem garage features, side service door, epoxy floors, 2 4x 8 overhead storage racks, Eaton complete home surge protection on main panel, interlock hookup for portable generator, Culligan water softener system, lift master belt drive garage door opener with MyQ, full width driveway. Laundry room features G-top load washer and dryer, large cabinet utility sink, upper and lower cabinetry. Powder room and built-in linen cabinet. Wraparound screened and lanai features 2 recessed lights and 2 ceiling fans. Located in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55+ active adult community, on-site property management staff, 45,000 square feet clubhouse, Madison's Cafe.